Hey guys, it's Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport. Today we're going to look at a 17 Wolf Creek. We just took this in trade. We do sell these new. This is a fresh trade and a lot less money than a new one. A non-slide unit with electric jacks. It's got the one piece like they do on the Arctic Fox up front with the aluminum down below. Lightweight camper for a long or short bed. This one has the Fox landing on the back. I'm going to come inside here. A lot of storage in these. This one has the bunk above the couch area here. You can sleep little ones up there. This has a fan up there above the bed. There's storage on both sides. It's a real clean, lightweight camper. Again, we sell these new. This is a lot less money than a new one. Lots of storage here. In place of the oven, they got the drawers here. A little more storage over here. This area here folds down, makes into a bunk area. I'm going to come here in the back. You can see the bathroom in this one with the skylight. Nice clean camper. If you got any questions, my number's on the screen there. You can call me on my cell phone at 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.